He empties heroin onto the spool. Every grain is precious and cannot be spilled or wasted. A few drops of water. At first, it all seemed like such harmless fun. It was hip to go along with the gang. But where's the gang now? Why aren't they with him when he needs them most? Too late, he realizes that by joining to belong, he's more alone than ever. This is the one trip he must take all alone. Only he himself can experience the unbearable agony of withdrawal. Alternately, he will feel chills and burns. Violent muscular cramps will rack his tortured body. He will vomit and then retch in uncontrollable convulsions. The agony will reach its peak in 36 to 72 hours, then continue for 2 more weeks. The high point of every drug addict's existence. Of every 1,000 hypes who ride the toboggan to hell, only a few ever get off.
We shall overcome.